Lynette again, Charm Grammy Crochet. Maybe I should have made this hat a little smaller. I mean, it really, when I put it down, it doesn't like go, but I like it better back. So anyway, I'm here with another video in the yarn room again because I know you guys like it in here. And this is just a little update on my um sure. I'm making clothes for Terry Bear. If you're new, you might not know about Terry Bear. Because I have a lot of new subscribers. So hey guys, thanks for coming back. I really appreciate it. Tell your friends, subscribe, hit the like button, all that stuff. So I made, my granddaughter wanted me to make her a stuffed animal, and I gave her, she wanted to go online and look for one, but I have some like stuffed animal crochet books and magazines, and so I gave her a stack, and I said, look through these and see if there's anything you like. And don't tell me, oh, I left the book downstairs. Well, I'm telling you what, I'm not going down to get it. It's called Dress Up Amigurumi, and it's in several of my previous videos. There are 4 different stuffed animals you can make in the book, and you can make them naked. And if you make them naked, you see their little, oh wait, this is attached, so hold on. Oh, let me leave it. You can see their little bum, their little tail, and they have a belly button. And you can see the little belly button. You can make it with clothes, a t-shirt. So the body would then, I don't want to show you what I've got, but you kind of already saw it anyway. So the body would not, would have the t-shirt as part of the body and the arms. But because in the book, there's like, I don't know, 15 different patterns or something for clothing, different style clothing that you can make for the teddy bear. And I named this Terry Bear. She'll name it whatever she wants, but I kind of assumed that she's gonna have it be a girl bear, and so I named it Terry instead of Teddy. But as you can see, Terry Bear has a belly button, and I made her naked because I wanted the belly button to be able to be there, and B, as she changes the outfits, I didn't want her to have to wear the same shirt with every outfit. It doesn't match every outfit. So, that being said, I said I'm going to try to make as many of these outfits as I can make. And they come with accessories and everything before Christmas. And then I'll give her the bear and the outfits as a Christmas present. Um, so I had some granny squares. That was a project of something I don't remember. And I put them together and I made an outfit. I made the one of the outfits that came with the bear was a diaper set, so I made that with a bib and a bottle. And I'm making a veterinarian outfit. It's got a jacket and a red cross on it, which my cross isn't all that great, but I've showed you that already. And then you get a little dog. You make a little dog, you make a stethoscope and a syringe. Oh, excuse me. I am not going to crochet the instruments. I'm going to crochet the little dog, you know, the little Amy. But I'm going to look for little stethoscope, not child size, but smaller than that, for the bear, like this size for the bear, and doctor stuff. Because they're very small, and you have to, like, it will just really hurt my fingers and take a long time. I get cramps in my hand if I have to hold really small stuff for a long time. And so, like, you're making the tubing for the stethoscope and all of that, and it's like 4 crochets around, or maybe 6, and you make it long enough that it goes around their neck and everything, and I'm like, that'll cramp up my hands, and so I don't want to do that. And the syringe, same thing. And it'd be really easy. I mean, it's not really copping out, but it's kind of copping out. Sorry, she won't care. My granddaughter won't care. So I had decided, because I've been following Judy at Witch Piece Craft with her twice a month album cover. It's hashtag Rock 2022 AU. And so for the beginning of the end of the second, she does twice a month, once on the first, once on the 15th. On the 15th of last month was an album, and it had something like a blue dress in the middle. And so the blue dress became the gown for the veterinarian outfit. And I still don't have the dog made. But then it came the first of this month, and this month's, the beginning of October's album is Bad Out of Hell. So I am making Terry Bear a Halloween costume, and this is my progress so far. I'm using orange. This is Dreamweaver yarn, and I made something else with this that I double stranded. Gosh, right now for the life of me I can't remember what it is. So anyway, this is one of the scraps of the leftover whatever I made with the orange yarn. And it is pumpkin orange. Oh, pumpkins from my crochet calendar. Crochet along. I made the pumpkin plate holder basket. That's what it was. And so I showed you that already. So that's actually got plates in it downstairs. And so this is the Dreamweaver yarn that I used to be able to get it. I think it's repackaged Red Heart, to be honest. I can't get this stuff anymore, which is a real bummer because I would get two in a skein. I mean, two in a package for like $1.29 to $1.69. Full skeins like this big size. I think they originally were $1.69. Then they went to smaller skeins and it was a two for $1.29. And I have all kinds. I still have a lot of it. Anyway, I can't eat. They don't sell it anymore at my store, and not for that price. So I started Terry Bear's outfit, and it's gonna have a pumpkin on the shirt. And someone had asked me, they don't meet in the back. The gowns that I've done so far, and I think it's because you're supposed to show the bum with the tail hanging out. Otherwise I don't know why. So I'm a little upset about that. And I thought maybe I would try to close it up more. But then I have to figure out, like, really how to do that. And I don't know that I want to. But I think this gets, it gets a skirt on it. And I think it might get little shorts. Little shorts might go on her. I can't remember. And I forgot the book downstairs. But a pumpkin face goes on here, and she gets a little bat bag. I think it's a bag to go with her Halloween costume, and it's shaped like a bat. So that's how it incorporates with Bat Out of Hell. And so I wanted to show you the progress that I did start it. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get done with it, but I think it's turning out real cute, and she'll really like it. And then on the 15th, I really wanted to have this done by the 15th. It's not going to be done by the 15th. I really doubt it because that's the closing day of the campground is this weekend. The 15th is this weekend. And I'm going to be busy. So I don't know how much crocheting I'm going to get done. I have like not a lot of time. But the 15th, another album cover comes out. So I'm hoping that I can incorporate that album cover into another outfit for Terry Bear because that's killing two birds with one stone. And I like that. So this is my update on Terry Bear. That's really all I wanted to show you is how cute she's coming along and how the outfit is started. And hopefully it will be done sometime soon so I can still make a second outfit this month. At least if the outfit part gets done and the accessories don't, well, I need to do the bat for Bat Out of Hell, or else it kind of blows the whole thing, right? Got to get my little crochet fingers on. But like I said, we are closing the camper this weekend, so there's a lot to do there. It'll get done. sooner or later. So that's all I have for you today in this video. And I did wear my pink. Don't forget, get a mammogram. See you tomorrow. Bye.